Alright, welcome back to Panic Garage. I bought another piece off Facebook Marketplace. Believe it or not, this thing runs. So, over the last couple of hours, I've been tinkering with this. Well, Nathan's been working on the RX7, which you'll see in another video. If that one's already come out, it's either up here, down here, or somewhere else on the YouTube world. So, we're going to drop this off. We haven't driven it off the trailer yet. Got it going, put the rear brake pads back in, and rebolted the front tail shaft, because old mate took it out for some reason. Help him push it, or some bloody thing. But we'll kick this in the guts and drop.
RB power, baby. The seat is in such a bad spot. Full nuggets back. Runs like the 6 million peso man.
RB power!
It loves it.
Oh, fuck yeah. That fuel leak stopped too.
Not when they fix themselves.
Yeah. So, runs and drives quite well actually. Who would have thought?
Considering it's probably sat for 10 years plus.
Yeah, so they started pulling apart the dash and they couldn't get it to run. I found that they've taken a switch out and I just bridged it out and it's got the fuel pump going. So
Are you about to do it for Dale, Travis?
I always do it for Dale.
That hooked up pretty well.
That is so good.
It hooked up better than I thought it would.
I wasn't holding that. I was just holding the door and just letting the wheel go.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Power steering works.
Most excellent.
That's still cold. Some more water in it. See if we can get the thermostat to open.
Oh, that runs better now. It just needed opening up.
Yep. Cleared all the shit out. Alternator's working too, because that battery was nearly fucking dead.
Nice.
Drink.
You got to touch it right to get it to gush.
Hey.
You got to touch it right to get it to gush. Make the girl blush.
It's drinking it. Thermostat's open. If there is a thermostat. There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wish I had some gauges. Like water temp.
Yes, that would be very beneficial.
Yeah, I wonder
Man,
if
this
the
thing
chopper.
runs mid.
Hey.
This thing runs mid.
Yeah.
Air leak.
Yeah. This thing is so good.
Lucky old mate's missus wanted him to sell this thing.
Poor dude.
None of that. I know what I got business.
I'm so glad I fucking was scrolling Facebook.
Facebook Marketplace of the deal of the century. Although to be fair, you probably paid what this thing was actually worth.
Yeah. No COVID tax on this one. It's amazing what happens when you plug a hose in correctly. Fuel leaks stop. Starting to get some heat in on now. I don't think there was a thermostat in this.
Probably not. Doesn't need it.
Wish I had my bucket.
Air cleaners, the vibration.
Okay. Oh, there's another bolt that meant to go in it, but it's this. Oh no, there it is.
Ta-da! Here's a bolt I prepared earlier.
There's a couple of vacuum lines that need to put back up on it too. Well, I don't know if this was a poor financial decision or a great one. Should test if this goes in full low, eh? full low. I'll lock the hubs in.
Good to go.
Hubs work. Full high works. Full low works.
Mint.
Yeah. This is going to be perfect for what I got
So
planned.
good.
That thing spins so well.
RB power, baby.
Yeah. That thing's going to be a monster once it's finished.
Such a cherry.
Got dirt in my eye though. That sucked.
I also got that on my eye.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it. A few more episodes coming with the patrol, but it won't be a patrol. Might be that.